Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week, and welcome to this new video on Jito. I wanted to make a video on this, and it might seem a little bit weird because if you just look at the technicals right now, Jito is not much entertaining, right? I mean, there's not a lot going on with Jito. However, first of all, I know a lot of you are still interested in Jito, so that's one of the main reasons why I'm making this video, because I think it's valuable for some of you at least. And then apart from that, I mean, I actually do think, I still think that Jito, even though there's quite a lot of critique at Solana, and also at Jito itself. I mean, it has been bearish for a while now, even though the market circumstances 100% were not bearish all the time. But Jito itself, whether you like it or not, I mean, the total value locked it has is impressive. It's $630 million right here, and it's actually been pretty stable, even though the price has dropped down quite a bit. So I wouldn't say I'm a fan of Jito, but I'm definitely not as negative as the majority of the crypto community on Jito. And what I've seen, and that's also one of the main reasons I'm making this video, is that over the course of the last couple of days, 5 days or so, we've actually seen some good open interest increases and spikes for Jito. Now, so far, what has happened is that it has always dropped back down. So that means that Jito gained momentum. And that's also what you can see right here. I mean, since we hit 1.5 right here, that's been a strong support. And from 1.5, we've gained momentum quite a couple of times. And we haven't been able to get a bullish breakout here. But usually when you see a crypto that gets momentum increases and momentum bumps like that, that's just interesting to look at. So I'm not going to promise you anything, all right? But I just think it's interesting what Jito is doing. And the most important thing I'll tell you right now is the technicals, all right? Because if you look at the technicals, the main support level that Jito is holding at right now is around 1.5, I would say 1.55. Okay, my microphone cut out, but luckily I didn't talk for too long after it cut out. What you need to know, that was what I was talking about, is that Jito purely technically is right now stuck between 1.55 and 1.4 as a support, and then as resistance 1.85 up to 2.05. And that's our main resistance. And what we need to wait for, look, at this moment, just to be honest, because the open interest increases are interesting, but since they haven't turned into anything, I'll have to assume that we're going to continue in the current market structure. And the current market structure is bearish, right? So then I would say from here, even though we can consolidate in this level, in this area, I should say, even though that's a possibility, I would say the most likely scenario is a bearish breakout below 1.4 and a continuation down to probably 1.1 and $1. Purely technically, that's most likely. But like I said, and that's also why I'm making this video, I think there's potential here. And look, 2.05, it's still some way up there. First of all, I do think we'll get some bullish momentum up to those levels. But whether we can break above that or not, I don't know. Probably not. So we're probably going to do something like this. But there is a chance, and you should be prepared for that, because if Jito is able to break above this level here at 2.05, we're going to rally. All right, so that's the main thing to watch. 2.5 would be my first price target, but we could go much higher. And that's the most important thing to know. I mean, I would not buy Jito right now, all right? Even though I think the price will go up a little bit more, I wouldn't buy it. It's not worth it. But there is a chance that we'll get a massive bullish breakout soon, and then I would buy it, all right? So for now, like I said, it's most likely that we'll continue to move sideways, and at some point of time drop down. But there is potential for more, all right? And I'm not saying that to just put hope in your minds. I'm saying that because that's what I'm seeing technically. So those are my thoughts, all right? So that's what you need to know. If you're interested in more, and if you're interested in my trades, etc., consider checking out my, or consider joining my premium and signal group. Very interesting. It's not loading, so that's up to you to check out. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your week, and bye.